Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta Exchange. US markets closed higher, and in fact, S&P 500 was trading around this level. Last Friday there was some news. Last month inflation was revised downwards, and then immediately S&P 500 shot up, and then the day before yesterday the consumer price inflation data came was then expected, so then it fall. So that means now it has recovered once again. S&P 500 has come back to 5000 level. So it was just one day of excessive optimism and one day of excessive pessimism. So now both are corrected. Now back to square. And the Nvidia. So in India, the main problem is HDFC Bank on the downside. The main problem in US market is Nvidia on the higher side. Now Nvidia market cap has crossed Google market cap and a few other top companies. Now, coming back to our market. So our market is also hugely volatile. And yesterday in the pre-market, I said there was no reason for a 200-point gap down, but it gapped down, but recovered the entire losses. Plus, it shot up another 100 point. Now, Nifty future is trading closer to 22,000. But as I told you, the Nifty spot will have to close above 22,000 for our market to resume its rally. Our main problem is the HDFC Bank. No matter what happens, HDFC Bank is not recovering. But stocks like State Bank of India is compensating the losses by HDFC Bank. Yesterday, State Bank of India hit a fresh all-time high. So PSU banks are recovering. And looking at the open interest, I think 22,000 will be a good resistance today. And because except on two trading sessions before HDFC Bank result, Nifty closed about 22,000. But after that, Nifty has never closed about 22,000. Now the momentum is more likely on banking stocks. I think the banking stocks yesterday, Bank Nifty future closed above 46,000. So that is something very, very positive. But though all-time high is 48,000 plus, but at least they are recovering. And HDFC Bank has fallen about 20%. So that has got about 30% weightage in Bank Nifty, probably now maybe less. So that alone would have taken out how much? Like 5-6% of Bank Nifty. So if you remove HDFC Bank, the Bank Nifty is also somewhere close to all-time high only. So it's going to be very interesting because the US market's recovery yesterday was much better than expected. So looking at that, things are like, we may open gap up, and there is every possibility the gap up may sustain. But however, today is a weekly expiry, so usual weekly expiry volatility will set in. Now, today there are some mixed signals. Number one, US markets are higher, but Japan economy is slipping into recession, and here DA is buying heavily, but FIA is selling also heavy. So as and when usually FIA selling is very heavy, the move will not be right on the one way. So there will always be two-way moves. Market may go up, market may come down, sudden sell-off may come. So, it's going to be very, very choppy. But now, as I told you, markets have been hugely volatile, but between 21,500 and 22,000. When our market became too optimistic after the IT results, for two trading sessions, we closed about 22,000. Then when there was too much pessimism about HDFC Bank and few other incidents, we closed below 21,500 for one or two trading sessions. But otherwise, for most of the February series, or since January 1, we have been closing between 21,500 and 22,000. So with the global cues are picking up, with all the events are out of the way, and now the markets will be taking some decisive direction. So that direction, as of now, looks on the bullish side, not on the bearish side. So, however, wait for close about 22,000 in spot Nifty. So until then, the markets are going to be choppy, and today is going to be no different. And for the last four trading sessions, Bank Nifty has been making more than 1,000 point intraday move. And since February series started, Nifty is making 200 to 300 point move on a day-to-day basis. So that choppiness is likely to continue. So if you are an options trader, so do not stay anywhere close and keep 2 month, 3 month away options, and keep far away like something like 21,000 port and 23,000 call with such a high margin of safety. But trading in short term options is going to be very, very difficult in this market. So hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.